Head far enough inland from Ocean City and you'll eventually reach Maryland's Blue Ridge Mountains. There, in a circular home that's indistinguishable from the landscape, is Michael Judd, emissary of America's most incredible, delicious, but all but forgotten fruit, the pawpaw.
This is one of the most gorgeous pawpaw zones that I have, so you can revel in the PawPaw Patch here.
Yeah.
A mature pawpaw tree in full sun, like this one right here, you could easily get 40, 50 pounds of fruit per tree. So it's not a novelty thing. This is like a real abundant harvest opportunity here.
Imagine a tropical fruit masquerading as a temperate species. That's the pawpaw, and I've waited years for a chance to harvest them myself.
Pawpaw is a very adaptive species, especially since it's a tropical species that migrated over millions of years into the north.